Here's how to unpair and reset your Apple Watch before selling it. Now, if you have your iPhone around and your Apple Watch and you wanted to sell that Apple Watch, but you wanted to make sure it's wiped out first, the first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your name at the very top. From here, you're going to choose iCloud midway down and then just tap on iCloud Backup. Now, I would highly recommend tapping on Backup now. By backing up your iPhone, you also back up your Apple Watch at the exact same time, so that when we factory reset your Apple Watch, it still has all your data. Now, after you've done that, let's hop out of here and swipe down. And then just search for the Watch app on your iPhone and open it up. The next thing we're going to do is tap on All Watches at the top left. And there you can see is my Apple Watch that I want to unpair. So tap on the I to the right of it. And then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Unpair Apple Watch. But keep in mind, this doesn't factory reset it. It just unpairs it from my iPhone. So tap on Unpair Apple Watch. And then go through the process of entering in your Apple ID password and choosing to unpair. Now, after you've done that, after you've unpaired it, you'll need to go back out of here. And you have two options. One is to tap on General here midway down. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset and choose Erase Apple Content and reset its settings. After you've done that, it'll be fully reset. However, on your Apple Watch, you can do the exact same thing as well. So let me show you how to do it on your Apple Watch instead. So let me on here unlock it and tap on Settings. And then just scroll down and choose General here. And then again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset. And then choose Reset All Content and Settings. Enter in the passcode for your Apple Watch and you will have reset all of the content and settings. It's ready to sell or trade in or give away. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave your feedback down below in the comments. Let me know, did this legitimately help you, or are you still facing some issues unpairing or resetting your Apple Watch? Thanks, guys.